You can sew all 5 masks along the bottom edge to a single strip of 1 1/4 by the width of fabric. If you leave about a 1/2 inch or less between the various masks that you're sewing. And you're going to be sewing on the chin side only. You can't do that across the top because it's a little bit longer. And you can do 4, but not the 5. I also am removing the pin just as I approach it in that box pleat on the chin side. So I do have to stop. I reach underneath the mask and then I grab the pin and pull it out. If you looked at the previous video, you saw that I put my pin down and up again so that they don't fall out. And I wait until the very last moment to take the pins out. As soon as they're not needed, then they're gone. And again, you're going to want to space it out just a little bit. Don't put them right next to each other, but about a 1/2 inch. And then you can start sewing the next one, second one, third one, fourth one, all the way to the end. I do adjust that box pleat from time to time if it seems to get in the way. And do not stretch the mask, and you don't really need to stretch the strip either. Just feed them in there as quickly as you'd like, as long as you can line up the edges. And I use my left hand to reposition. I lift and move it over, and the right hand is just guiding that one strip. Here we are with the 5th mask, sewing that down, and I see I have just a little bit left on the fabric strip, which is great. Normally I would cut the masks apart at this time and just do one at a time as I finish the binding. I don't see any margin in having that long trail of masks which get tangled up one after the other. So I will just finish the binding one mask at a time.